How to make your own NFTs. It would be an understatement to say that NFTs became popular. NFTs are gaining traction in a variety of industries including gaming, entertainment, and art. But did you know that anyone can make their own NFT? Well, the term for making an NFT is called minting. So what does minting mean exactly? Well, watch this video till the end to find out. Hey everyone, welcome to Nft Explained For Beginners, a perfect channel for everything about NFTs. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Having said that, now let's get started. There are many assets available around the globe at the moment, but few are as highly sought after as NFTs. There have recently been a rise in popularity of NFT collectibles such as NBA Top Shot, as well as NFT-based video games such as Axie Infinity. In the past several years, a movement called non-fungible tokens has taken over the globe, attracting investors, collectors, and trend followers from all walks of life. Additionally, NFTs are more than just assets accumulated in a blockchain. As a result, they become assets of monetary value, which have been integrated into a wide variety of industries. The concept of mining can be viewed as the process of adding digital art to the blockchain. As a result, your artwork is protected from tampering, which in turn protects your interests. As you study the basics of this topic, you will need to become familiar with the different blockchain platforms that allow NFT minting. Most of the time, the Ethereum blockchain is used. Additionally, you can mint NFTs on a number of platforms which are popular, including Polkadot, Tron, EOS, BINANCE Smart Chain, and Tezos. As a next step, you should determine if your platform can support the transfer and sale of NFTs over other blockchains in order to find the cheapest method of minting NFTs. In order to do so, you will need to review and compare how well it compares against its competitors. Therefore, if we study some statistics, it becomes evident that Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain are the most popular and relatively inexpensive platforms to use for minting NFTs, since they are the largest NFT market spaces that can provide you with additional exposure to potential buyers and regular customers. But before you break the bank and start minting on the Ethereum or Binance chain, you should remember that the most important thing before minting your NFT is to choose the right exchange. As a result, there are many marketplace platforms available if you use the Ethereum blockchain. One of the most popular examples of these platforms is Rarible, Mintable, and OpenSea. Also available for Binance Smart Chain are JUGGER World, Treasureland, and Bakery Swap. Although I can hear you screaming, let's move on to the actual process of NFT minting. First and foremost, you need to create a digital asset, as there is no sale without a product. So you must ensure that the artwork you create is both appealing and innovative. If you are a beginning artist, I recommend that you choose from a variety of digital themes and media, such as 3D illustrations, abstract art, politics, music, audio, sports, and even extreme art. No matter how popular you are, there is no limit to what a creative mind is capable of creating. And in general, you can find customers for just about any form of artwork. Therefore, in regards to beginners, let us consider the work of artists such as Beeple or CryptoPunk, whose collective artwork can be a great source of inspiration for aspiring artists just starting out. Despite their lack of knowledge, their art has earned them millions, and you can join this list if you employ the best use of your creativity. It does not even have to be complex, all it needs is to be a little different. Moreover, minting an NFT is a way to create a record of evidence related to a particular piece of artwork on the blockchain. The evidence identifies you as the author of the work based on your wallet address. As a result, you'll be able to prove your ownership. You cannot change or remove this record. Sales and resales of your artwork will not change the record. You will still be listed as the first owner and creator of the artwork. It applies to all records. Additionally, anyone can access the blockchain. Secondly, we need to consider when minting an NFT that if you create records for your artwork, then you will be required to pay the transaction fees, or in other words, the gas fee. The fees for creating these transactions vary greatly depending on the level of demand for them. In other words, if more people create NFT art, then recording fees will also rise. It is estimated that the gas fee for NFT minting is between $200 and $500. You might think this is expensive, but the potential returns are in the thousands, so the risk is worth taking. Further, you will need some Ether to make this payment, which can be obtained from a local cryptocurrency exchange, so it shouldn't be too difficult. Now that you have your NFT on the Ethereum blockchain, you will want to look for ways to sell your creation, and this is where a non-custodial wallet will be useful, such as a specific type of cryptocurrency wallet that gives you full control over your funds. A wallet of this type allows you to use something called the seed phrase, which is randomly generated 12-word combination that provides your wallet with a backup of your NFT, as well as allowing you access across a variety of platforms. Therefore, you are able to mint NFTs using the cheapest method without encountering any restrictions when accessing your funds. Nevertheless, it is important to note that there is also a risk associated with this, as if you lose your seed phrase, you will lose access to your funds. Therefore, it's imperative that you never lose it. In addition, there are non-custodial wallets available to reduce your minting costs, and if you're minting via your mobile phone, Rainbow, or Coinbase wallet, these are excellent options. However, you can use a wallet like MetaMask if you use a laptop. We understand that you guys would be interested in knowing the final steps involved in minting an NFT on OpenSea, but before we proceed, let's create a non-custodial wallet using MetaMask first. Without this, you will not be able to access OpenSea, so pay attention to the following steps. The first step is to access MetaMask website, which can be found further down in the description. Now, install the Chrome extension provided in its website, and after it's installed, click on Create a Wallet button on the right-hand side of the page. Follow the instructions that will ask you to fill in some details and create a password, and remember that this password is not your seed phrase. It is just for the security and protection of your data. Afterwards, the seed phrase will appear. Once you have completed those steps, you should copy your seed phrase and store it in a safe place. The NFT creation depends on this, so please handle it carefully as you will not be able to recover it. Click on the next button to complete the setup. After you've created your non-custodial wallet, you are ready for the next step. In order to send your Ether, you will need to provide the address of your wallet. In simple terms, your wallet address is like a number you can use to send or receive cryptocurrency from one wallet to another. At the top of the page, you can copy the wallet address for MetaMask. You simply need to send the value of the Ether you purchased to your wallet address on the crypto exchange. As soon as the Ether arrives, you will see the updated balance in your MetaMask wallet. You need to find the right market to find the cheapest ways to mint NFTs as a critical part of minting. Your choice will depend on various factors. Although there are other names like Rarible and Mintable, I will use OpenSea as my example because the user does not need to pay a minting fee every time they create a new NFT. In OpenSea, users only have to pay once when they create their NFTs. Your customers will pay gas fees for your future NFTs. When you mint your NFT, it goes into your wallet, allowing you to sell it wherever you like. In this way, you can mint and sell on different platforms. In the end, minting your NFT is a relatively straightforward process after you've completed all the other steps. You can do it today on a number of platforms with just a few clicks. Getting started is as simple as visiting www.opensea.io and clicking the Create button. You will be prompted to sign into your MetaMask wallet. By studying the message part of the signature request, you can determine whether you're selecting the correct action. In the OpenSea NFT marketplace, minting is known as lazy minting, as it involves minting as part of a collection. The next step is to click on Create on the My Collections page and then add a collection name, description, and logo that will allow you to include multiple NFTs in your collection. And you can also add new items to your collection via the OpenSea marketplace. Select Add New Item, click Create, and upload a high-quality image of your artwork along with an appropriate name and external links. And that's it, you can now mint an NFT. Anyways, that's all for today. We will see you in the next one. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more such content, and don't forget to press that bell icon. Until then, peace out.